Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Nation Bites. Let's have a look at the headlines. It is a matter of pride that people from all provinces are settled in Karachi, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah. The Livestock Expo 2025 continued on the second day in Karachi. Karachi Mayor inaugurates Ghulam Ali Alana Road. Sindh government striving to promote sports, Nasir Shah. Gwadar Airport begins operations as first flight successfully lands. Shan Masood says home advantage important to emerge as leading force. Let's look into details. The Chief Minister of Sindh, Syed Murad Ali Shah, has said that it is matter of pride that people from all provinces are living in Karachi. The culture of collective identity keeps them in a good state. Only with cultural aspects they can highlight the true understanding of their homeland. Cultural Day is not only a celebration but also a sign of brotherhood. Saint Patrick always holds a special place in his heart. Whenever he passes by this institution, it connects him with old memories. Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah said that Cultural Day is not only a celebration but also a sign of brotherhood. Today is the day to celebrate the colorful heritage and learn to obey traditions. He said that cultural moments and observations keep them together. The culture of collective identity keeps them in a strong place. Sindh Livestock and Fisheries Minister Muhammad Ali Malkani has said that the purpose of holding the Livestock Expo in Karachi is to highlight the investment opportunities in this sector. The Livestock Expo 2025 continued on the second day in Karachi. Livestock Minister of Punjab Ashik Hussain Karmani arrived from Lahore to Karachi early in the morning. Sindh Livestock and Fisheries Minister Muhammad Ali Malkani, along with Punjab Livestock Minister, took special part in the exhibition at the Expo Center. At the Livestock Expo in the morning, the people of Karachi rushed. Even children from different schools came to see the animals. Karachi Mayor Murtaza Wahab inaugurated the newly constructed Ghulam Ali Alana Road on Sunday. This road has been rebuilt and dedicated to the former city mayor Ghulam Ali Alana. While addressing the ceremony, the mayor emphasized the Pakistan People's Party commitment to the betterment and development of Karachi. We are actively working on projects to improve water supply, road parks, system. This road is an example of our efforts, said Wahab. The 1.5 kilometer long Ghulam Ali Alana Road was completed in 4 months at a cost of 70 million. Provincial Minister of Energy Development and Planning Syed Nasir Hussain Shah on Sunday said that the Sindh government was striving to improve sports across the province. He said this while addressing the closing ceremony of the Sindh Beach Games. The closing ceremony of the Sindh Beach Games was organized by the Sindh Government Sports Department at the Nishani-Pakistan Beach, in which Sindh Energy Minister Syed Nasir Hussain Shah participated. On this occasion, Provincial Minister Syed Nasir Hussain Shah and Secretary Sports Abdul Alim Lashari handed over the General Trophy to Karachi for winning the first position with 14 medals in the Beach Games, while Hyderabad won the second position with 4 medals and Sakkar won the trophy by winning the third position. The first commercial flight of Pakistan International Airlines from Karachi landed at the Gwadar International Airport. Flight PK503 carrying 46 passengers took off at 9:50 a.m. and landed at the new Gwadar Airport at 11:14 a.m. The inauguration of Gwadar International Airport took place Monday with an inauguration flight. Federal Minister for Aviation Khwaja Asif officially inaugurated the airport and revived the first commercial flight of Pakistan International Airlines from Karachi Airport. Pakistan Red Ball captain Shan Masood emphasized on Sunday the significance of utilizing home advantage to cement the team's status as a leading force in the international cricket. Addressing a press conference following Pakistan's decisive 127-run victory against the West Indies in Multan, Masood underscored the importance of capitalizing on familiar conditions. We'll go to win as many matches as we can in the home conditions, said Masood. The captain highlighted the sacrifices required for overall improvement. One department needs to give a sacrifice to uplift the other one, he stated. Pointing to the conditions that heavily favored spinners, Masood said, the pitches like this have nothing to offer for the batters and fast bowlers. That's all for now. Keep watching Nation Bites. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch Nation Bites.